Hey everyone, my name's Grace Cole, and for this assignment, I decided to do Kahoot. Kahoot is a learning-based, game-based, online educational technology tool that students and teachers can use. Kahoot is designed to test one's knowledge of a certain subject and demonstrate their understanding of the certain subject. And to do that, Kahoot does it in a fun and interactive way. Kahoot is free to use, but there are some options where you can subscribe and pay to get access to more materials and resources. Kahoot can be played on a tablet, a phone, a computer, iPad, anything like that. And so when you log on to Kahoot, this is what it'll look like. This is the homepage. And over here, it'll have the list of your Kahoots, any courses that you have created, and any reports of how you did on any Kahoots that you have completed. And you have the Discover page, which you have to subscribe for the most part to get access to other people's Kahoots. This is the library. It'll have your recents, your drafts that you've made, any favorite Kahoots. So any Kahoots that you come across that you like, you can favorite it and it'll be here, and any Kahoots that are shared with you. And then you have reports, and this will give you some data about how you did on any Kahoots that you have completed. And then this is the marketplace that's similar to Discover, and you have to pay to get access to certain Kahoots. So I'm going to go to the home page, and I am going to click on the Kahoot that I made, and I'm going to show how to make one with this one. And so I hit edit, and right here you can choose between themes if these are free. And then you can go up here and you can name your Kahoot, and you can also pick a picture, add a description, make it private or public, and even pick which music you want. And so for this one, with the free version, there are two question types. It's the quiz one, which is the one shown on the screen, and in true and false, which will be the next question. The rest you have to have a subscription to. And so you can pick a time limit between 5 seconds and 4 minutes. You can pick what points you want to do, and then you can also pick a single answer or multiple answers in one question. And then an image reveal, the other ones you have to have a subscription. So for this one, I picked July 4th is known as, and the right answer is Independence Day. And this example of this Kahoot is just social studies, history, knowledge, stuff like that. And so this could just be a great overview of information. And then the second one is a true and false, and you can also pick, you can upload your own picture, pick from the pictures they have, even do GIFs or videos. So this is a true or false because the city of Atlanta is in Georgia. And then the last one I did, this one has more than one right answer, just to show you that there is an option to do that. So I did which state is known as the Peach State, and it's Georgia. And I did what Georgia is abbreviated, and then how to spell it. And so that's how you would make a Kahoot, and that's what it looks like. And now I'm gonna play a Kahoot, and this would be a great way to demonstrate a student's knowledge because it's just a fun interactive overview of what they've learned, and if it's fun and engaging and interactive, they might learn more and remember it, and they might actually want to learn more. But I'm going to go to Kahoot.com right now. I'm going to hit start, and this is what it looks like if you were to showcase it in your classroom. And so I'm going to do classic mode for this one. This means everyone has their own device, and I'm waiting for the game pin, and so the game pin, okay, and then I'm going to, okay, accidentally typed in the wrong one. And then I'm going to enter it, and then I'm going to put my name, and then I'm going to hit start. And so this would be displayed in the classroom, and then the students would have their own device. So July 4th is known as Independence Day. So I picked that. That one's obviously the right answer. And then the next one is a true or false. The city of Atlanta is located in the state of Georgia. That is true. And then the last one, which state is known as the Peach State? And then I'm selecting the red and the yellow one. And I'll hit submit on my phone, and then I'll go. So that's the end of the Kahoot, and then it'll just show you who got third place and second and first. I think this is a great tool to use in my classroom one day. I want to use this because I think Kahoot, it's a fun and interactive way to get students excited to see and test their knowledge of what they have learned. I know Kahoot, it does a great job at testing one's knowledge. The students could be really excited because they get to use technology to play this game, and they might want to get first or second or third place at the end, so it makes students eager to learn. So I would definitely want to use it in my classroom, and I think it's a great way to test students' knowledge.